Hello, today I'd like to show you our SoBe ceiling tile. It is a 3D ceiling tile that goes beautifully with modern, contemporary, retro, or mid-century furniture and decor. It works with a standard 1-inch wide, 2 foot by 2 foot drop ceiling grid. At 0.5 millimeter thick, its feather-like construction and flexibility makes it super easy to install, even in tight spaces. They are also easy to cut for lighting. Being made of durable PVC, it is designed to last a lifetime. It is waterproof, mold, and mildew resistant and can be cleaned with soap and water. This makes it ideal for basements. For your safety, it also has a Class A fire rating. When installing, it's important not to have anything touch the tiles from above, as these tiles are not weight bearing. All insulation, AC ducting, wiring, and light fixtures must be properly supported from above. That was easy, and it looks solid as a rock.